Hey, how you doing? Welcome to Unboxing with Marty. This isn't your typical unboxing with Marty video. In this video, I'm doing a little action scene. Okay, this isn't real. This right here, this is iMovie, and it's green screen effect. You want to see how I did this? Stick around and relax and enjoy.
Hi there. You've tuned into the Unboxing with Marty channel, where you'll find videos on unboxing, how-to, software, and occasionally something different.
Hey, how you doing? Welcome to Unboxing with Marty. Today we're going to talk about green screens, and the first rule of thumb is if you're using a green screen, don't use a green shirt, or this can happen. Okay, I'm back. Alright, the black shirt does work better with the green screen, doesn't it? Nothing really weird about it. There's nothing weirder than seeing someone standing in front of a camera and you're seeing through them and you're seeing the background behind their shirt, right? So let's get beyond that. Alright, so in this video, what we're going to do is that opening scene you saw for this video, a picture of Action Man Marty racing through the country on his bike. Well, obviously you figured out that I made that by using a green screen effect. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use, well, let me put it this way. macOS comes with a free video editing software called iMovie. And in iMovie, it has a very simple to use green screen effect. And that's what I used to make that video. So we're going to do that. We're going to actually make that very video that you just saw on this device right here. And we'll render it and we'll see how it was done. A couple of things to think about before you do a video like this is, one, of course, you're going to have your background. You know, what do you want for your background? What do you want to fill in behind the subject? So in this case, I was out in the country, driving through the farmland, and I thought, oh, you know what? As I'm driving through the farmland, you know, see everything rush by the window here, I kind of realized that would give a good sense of motion. So I took my GoPro, I had my GoPro with me, stuck it out the window, and just videotaped for a few moments. And it's like, did I just say videotape? We don't use videotape anymore, do we? I'm just showing my age. But anyway, I recorded it, and we just decided that would be a take. I wanted it, brought that home with me. Then, of course, I set up my green screen behind me, the one you're looking at right here. Set up the e-bike. Here, you know what I'll do is let me show you a picture. I'm going to throw a picture up to see what I had, so you can kind of get an idea of the setup I had. So lighting is important with green screens. I've got a light up here in the ceiling that I have on all the time, and then you're going to see that I have the, it's a reading light. Yeah, I like it because it's got that gooseneck arch on it, so I can move the light around, so I'm going to adjust it. Yeah, I bought that just for recording videos, but it works pretty good. I'm using it right now. It's right up there. And I also have a desk lamp that I put on the floor. You can see the desk lamp on the floor, but I use that to try to light up the back of the green screen, because with the green screen you always worry about shadows. So, and you'll see in the video, macOS's iMovie green screen effect does have tools that'll help reduce the shadow effect, and we're going to try that out and we'll see how it works. That being said, let's go ahead and get onto the device, and let's get onto this iMac and let's put that movie together. So let's get started.
Okay, we're looking at macOS's free iMovie video editor. iMovie has a really great green screen effect. We're going to take a look at it and have some fun with it, and we're going to make that opening scene for this video. So let's go ahead and get started. We're going to go ahead and create a movie. I've got nothing selected, so I've got nothing in here, but what we want to do is we want to import some video into here, so then we can then drop it down to the timeline, and then using these controls or these editing functions here, we can make the magic happen. What I'm going to do, instead of just clicking here on the import media, I will just drag this aside because I got what I need right here. I'm going to drag this in and drag this in. There you go. So let's just get this moving. All right, first things first, let's drag in the green screen. Let's take a look at it. I want to clean it up a little bit. See right here? You don't want to see that part. Maybe me leaning forward. Okay,
Hey,
we can do that.
how you doing?
We'll do that. We'll get me leaning forward. What do you think of that? We'll take it right there. We're going to split that, and I'm going to go ahead and delete this piece. Now let's go over here. We're going to trim that end a little bit. We'll go right there. I'm going to split that. I'm going to drop that off. There you go. Next, let's get this video down here. A little bit that I want to trim off a little bit. Let's stretch this out so I can see it. You can see right now the green screen video is longer than the background screen, but we're going to work on that too. So let's just, I'm going to clip this off. I just don't want the front there. And you're down here at the very end, you can see where I start bringing the camera into the car. You can see, well, the ground is starting to tip up there. So let's go right about here. We're going to split that. We're going to delete that. And I can tell you right now what I'm going to do here is we're going to take this. Oh, my finger slipped. Let's slide over so I can see it better. There we go. My finger slipped, so let's go here. All right, we're going to try to make this work better. Let's take this, and I'm going to go up to here where it looks like a speedometer, and I'm just going to stretch it out. I'm going to slow it down a little bit because I think there's enough detail to get me through it. Now, you see right here, it's still not enough, so all I'm going to do is I'm going to copy it, toss it in here. There you go. And we don't need this piece. But what I want to do then is I'm going to take this, just drag it right up. Let's see if I can get a hold of this and bring it right there. So here they are stacked on top of each other.
Hey, how you doing?
Can't hear it too. Can't hear it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the volume here on the background. I'm going to bring it down to around, let's see. I'm going to go somewhere around 10%. There you go. Bring this one down to about 10% too. There you go. I want to turn up my volume so I can hear me better. Let's just push up a little. 250. What did I leave it at? Let's push up a little bit more. That's good enough. 251. Let's see how that sounds.
Hey, how you doing?
Much better. See, you got some shadow here. We're going to get rid of that next. So let's go to the green screen. See right here, you got this little overlay. We're going to go ahead and just pick the green screen. And there you go. Wow, you're starting to see the magic happen already. Now there's a cropping tool here. This right here, this cropping tool. So you can do this. And if you wanted to, you could drag it in, but you see what happens. In this case, it's probably not something I'm going to be interested in because it's nice, but this is what happens.
This right here?
So in this case, the cropping tool is not going to really help me out. So I'm going to put this back to where it belongs. And then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to try to see if I can get rid of some of the shadow here. Let's find a good place to look at. Okay, here we go. So this little thing called the eraser, well, I call it the eraser. I'm going to go ahead and click here, and there's a small tab. Looks pretty good to me. I clicked once, I clicked twice. That's what it looks like it took. So let's screen play.
You want to see how I did this?
Let's see how it looks.
Stick around and relax and enjoy.
There you go.
Hey, how you doing? Welcome to Unboxing with Marty. This isn't your typical unboxing with Marty video.
So I think I'm going to go with this. And this is what I'm going to use for my opening video. One more thing I wanted to mention is there's an additional feature here, softness. You can adjust the softness on the green screen effect if you like. So all I want to do next is I'm going to go ahead and hit the share button. And I'm going to export the file and take it from here.
So we've got it. We're done. We did it. So what do you think? I mean, what do you think of green screen? Do you guys use green screen? I mean, do you have a lot of experience? Let me know what you like to do with green screen. It'd be kind of interesting what kind of effects you could do it. I mean, I could see, you know, I could be walking with a big city skyline behind me, or I could have a river flowing by me, or I could just be sitting at a park just enjoying myself and having the woods behind me. So let me know what you do. And I hope you enjoyed this video. I got to tell you, I had fun. You know, green screen is fun to play with. So if you want to try it, I encourage you to give it a shot. Play, and you'll start becoming comfortable with it. And as always, I want to thank you for watching Unboxing with Marty. And if you enjoyed this video, and if you enjoy the videos on this channel, please be sure to hit the subscribe button, and please be sure to hit that like button. And again, let me know your thoughts. I appreciate it. And until next time, I'll see you around. Have a good day.